Two Indian origin youngsters in Silicon Valley have just made history. At 22, they have become the world's youngest self-made billionaires, all thanks to the global race in artificial intelligence. The company at the heart of this breakthrough is called Mercor. It is an AI-driven recruitment platform founded by three school friends, Brendan Foodie, Adarsh Harmath and Surya Midha. Two of them, Harmath and Midha, are Indian Americans. The company has now been valued at $10 billion after a new funding round of $350 million. That valuation gives each founder a personal fortune of more than $2 billion, making them billionaires a year earlier than Mark Zuckerberg, who hit the milestone at 23. All three founders are just 22. Their median employee age is also 22, and the company itself is barely 2 years old. The story began at Bellarmine College Prep in San Jose, California. The three students bonded over late-night debate practice. They would argue about the future of work, technology, and automation. Those debates eventually turned into a real business idea. After school, they went to different top universities, but the idea followed them. In 2023, while still students, they launched Mercor, first as a marketplace to connect Indian tech talent with American startups. But the real turning point came when the demand for AI exploded worldwide. Mercor shifted direction. It became a platform that helps the world's biggest tech companies find human workers who can train artificial intelligence. That means people who label data, test responses, and provide the human judgment that machines still cannot copy. Today, more than 30,000 specialists across law, medicine, engineering, and finance work through Mercor. Their client list includes OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, DeepMind, and most of the world's top AI labs. By mid-2024, Mercor was already making $500 million in yearly revenue, up from just $100 million a few months earlier. The funding rounds then took off like rockets, $32 million, then $100 million, and now $350 million. The final boost came after Meta bought Scale AI, Mercor's biggest rival, in a $14 billion deal. Many AI companies wanted a neutral alternative, and Mercor became the go-to platform almost overnight. So at 22, these three founders now control one of the fastest growing startups in Silicon Valley, and they say they are just getting started. The long-term goal is bold, a single global platform that connects every worker to every job instantly, anywhere in the world. For now, they hold a different record, the youngest self-made billionaires on the planet, and the two of them trace their roots back to Karnataka and New Delhi.